If CapCut is lagging on your device, freezing while you edit, or just feeling painfully slow, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest ways to fix the CapCut lagging problem so you can edit smoother, save time, and stop fighting with your timeline. These methods are simple, safe, and they work for most creators. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. The first and most effective fix is to turn on Proxy mode. Proxy mode creates lower resolution copies of your videos while you're editing, which makes CapCut run much faster. The best part is that it does not affect your final export quality, so you still get the full quality when you finish your project. To do this, click on an empty space in the timeline so nothing is selected. Then look at the Details panel in the top right corner and click Modify. In the pop-up window, go to the Performance tab. Here, toggle on Proxy and change the resolution drop-down to 540p. Once that's set, click Save. This one step alone can make a huge difference if you're working with large files or multiple clips. Next, you want to wipe out accumulated cache. Over time, CapCut stores temporary data from transitions, stickers, audio effects, and other edits. That cache can build up and start clogging your system memory, which is one of the most common reasons the app begins to lag. To clear it, click the menu button in the very top left corner of the main interface. Open Settings, then go to the Project or Cache tab, depending on your version. From there, click the trash icon or the Clear Cache button. If you see an option for auto-delete cache, turn it on and set it to 15 or 30 days so the junk files don't pile up again in the future. This is a great maintenance habit if you edit regularly. Now let's enable hardware encoding acceleration. This makes sure your graphics card does more of the heavy lifting, instead of forcing your processor to handle everything alone. That can significantly improve playback and reduce lag during editing. Go to Menu, then Settings, and open the Performance tab. Make sure both speed up hardware encoding and hardware acceleration are checked. After turning those on, restart CapCut so the changes can fully take effect. If you've never used these settings before, this can be one of the biggest performance boosts available. The fourth fix is to clean up system resources. CapCut is a pretty heavy app, especially if you're using multiple effects, high-resolution footage, or long projects. If you already have other memory-heavy apps open, your computer can start struggling. Before editing, close things like Google Chrome, extra browser tabs, game launchers, and any background apps you do not need. The fewer programs running in the background, the more power CapCut can use. This is especially important if you have an older laptop or limited RAM. If CapCut is still lagging after that, make sure your project itself isn't overloaded with unnecessary effects. Too many transitions, stickers, filters, and animated elements can slow down playback. Try removing anything you don't actually need, and keep your timeline as clean as possible while you're editing. You can always add extra polish later, once the main edit is done. Another quick tip is to save your work often and restart CapCut after making changes to performance settings. A fresh restart can help the app apply the new settings properly and clear out temporary slowdowns. If your device has been running for a long time, restarting your computer can also help free up memory and improve overall performance. So, to recap, the best way to fix CapCut lagging problems is to turn on Proxy mode, clear your cache, enable hardware acceleration, and close unnecessary background apps. Those 4 steps solve the issue for a lot of users and can make editing feel much smoother right away. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future CapCut tips and software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.